Inox India Ltd, a cryogenic equipment manufacturer. Company has more than 3 decades of experience in manufacturing storage equipment for industrial gases, LNG, and cryo-scientific. About 56% of the revenue is generated from industrial gases equipment, 27% from LNG equipment, and 17% from cryo-scientific equipment. They also manufacture sustainable industrial packaging solutions for other products. These storage solutions are used in diverse industry segments, with company having a strong order book of Rs 1,193 crores as of fiscal year 2024. The company was incorporated in 1976 and got public in 2023. They are based in Vadodara, with more than 590 employees and 490 workers. Company has 5 manufacturing plants, located in Kalol, Silvassa, Savli, and Kandla, and 1 global plant in Brazil. The market cap of the company is 10,409 crore rupees and currently trading at 1,147 rupees per share. The company has a 24% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 26% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company is part of Inox Group, promoted by Mr. Pawan Kumar Jain and Mr. Siddharth Jain. In February 2024, company partnered with Adani Total Gas to deliver essential LNG and LCNG equipment and services. They are also collaborating with IUAC for designing and manufacturing superconducting magnet-based systems. Over the years, company has secured many patents in crucial areas of LNG and cryogenic. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. The public holding is dropping, indicating that domestic investors are buying from the public. Company exports to more than 100 countries, with revenue concentration of 42% from domestic and 58% from exports. Some clients of the company are Adani, Shell, ITER India, Saint Gobain, Gulf Cryo, Supergas, Hyundai Engineering and Construction, ISRO, Air Products, and more. About 42% of the revenue is generated from India, 22% from North America, 10% from Europe, 8% from South America, and 18% from other countries. Company is net debt-free, with more than 30 sales and service centers across the globe. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.